Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to download carx street on Play Store. For example, if you search for carx street on the Play Store, then here you can see there is no game related to carx street. So how you can first of all solve the problem that carx street is not showing on Play Store. For this you have to close the Play Store. After that you have to open Chrome or any kind of browser you have. In Chrome or any kind of browser you have to open a new tab and you have to search for carx street Play Store. If you search for carx street Play Store, then you have to click on the first link you are provided with. After that, if you click on that link, then here you can see there is an error: your device isn't compatible with this version. Then how you can fix this error and download carx street? For this you have to watch this video completely. First of all, you have to go back and you have to click on profile of your Play Store. After that you have to click on settings. In settings you have to scroll down and you have to click on about. In about you have to look for Play Store version and here you have to click on update Play Store. After that, as you can see, here is shown Google Play Store is updated. So after updating your Google Play Store, you have to close the Play Store and you have to open the settings of your device. After that, you have to search for your about phone section or the software update. Here you have to check your software information and you have to check whether you have already installed the updated version of your device. As checking after the software updates of your device, what you have to do next is you have to look for apps or application manager. In apps or application manager, you have to look for Google Play Services. Here you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache. After that, you have to click on Google Play Store and you have to also clear the cache of your Google Play Store. After clearing the cache of your Google Play Services and Google Play Store, what you can do is you have to check whether your problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you can search for carx street APK version. Here you have to look for the APK version of the carx street and you have to download the APK version. Here you can see there is also an option related to download APK version. After clicking on download and downloading the APK file, you can install the APK file, and after downloading and installing, this error of device not compatible will not occur on your device. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.